Hello, guys. Welcome to Fun Techie and welcome to another episode of Fun Techie. Today's episode is about the new feature rolled out on Facebook, that is reaction. Now, this is the recent post from one of my friend. Now, the big question is that where is this feature hidden? That is called reaction. How can we react on a particular post on Facebook? What you need to do is press and hold the like button. Now you will get different options of or the different reactions you can post on Facebook. The first one is like, second one is love, third is haha, that's you may laugh out on a post. If you really feel wow about a post, you can post wow, you can react wow. Then this is the sad one. If you really feel that something really is sad about a particular post, you can post this reaction. And the last one is the angry reaction, which you can post if you feel really angry about a particular post. So this is a really awesome feature rolled out in Facebook. Thank you for watching this video and hope you will like this video and subscribe to Fun Techie and do share this video so all the community on YouTube and Facebook know about this new feature rolled out on Facebook. Thank you, guys, and surely we'll come up with a new episode telling you about new features about Facebook. Thank you.